How to build a VA team, even if you're just starting. If you're doing everything yourself, growth will always feel heavy. Today, I'll share how you can start building a VA team, even if you're still a freelancer or solo business owner. Hello, my name is Divine Porcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. You don't build a team because you're big. You build a team so you can grow. It starts with documenting your tasks, creating simple checklists, delegating one task at a time. You don't need many people. You need clear roles and expectations. Leadership is not control. Leadership is clarity. If you want help building systems before hiring, I've linked my training and templates below. Next week, I'll talk about the shift from freelancer to business owner.